Alright, hello guys, it's Vid again, and here we go. Let's do the third part of this video. No, third part, but second part with the performance on this car. Okay, torque and horsepower has increased a bit. Handling is just gonna still be behind, but you know, handling still might be useful for drifting. You know, wherever you need to drift. Let's see how this car drives. Okay, race editor mode. Before we go there, let's go to cheats, infinity nos, that's all I need. Race editor, create race, even though we're not creating race, but let's go. Slow responses on changing gears. I like the drifting into turns. So I mean, maybe whenever if you happen to get out of control, you could probably control it. But one thing I'm noticing about this car, whenever it's changing gears, it changes in a weird way. The gears change, like, oh, go from second gear, and there's a pause, and then there's a third gear, pause, and then instead of just going right into it. Going uphill, you might want to go second gear. So yeah, I mean, if you happen to get hit by a car going on oncoming lane, you'll lose a whole lot of control, or hit any other object. And it's going downhill, maybe stay at third, depending on how much you're drifting. And now it's time for the 0 to 60. What about 4 seconds? Really nice. What about 2.9 seconds, I think? Like 2 seconds. Really nice. Now, top speed run. Somewhere around the 180s. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, we're at 185. At least that's where we were at. Downhill, 186, flat hill, 187. I don't know if that was going downhill or not. I'm just kind of paid. Oh, here's uphill. This is just kind of weird going on oncoming lane. Here we don't have to lose so much speed though. 185. No, don't flip, don't flip, don't flip. Please don't flip, please don't flip. Aw, you flipped. So I'm going to go average top speed of 187. And I will see you on the next car.